Today I'm going to show you how to disassemble and reassemble the IA-SC9 integral. First of all, verify that the gun is empty. Next, we're going to remove the suppressor and expansion chamber using the provided takedown tool and a 3/8 drive wrench. Now we're going to remove the HB handguard using a Torx T25 wrench. Now the handguard is removed, you have access to your barrel ports for cleaning, also the threads of the barrel for cleaning. Same with the expansion chamber, everything's easily accessible. When it comes to your suppressor itself, the expansion cups are labeled 1 through 9. You want to put them back in numerical order. The core comes out for cleaning. You can use ultrasonic cleaner or any of your standard gun solvents out there. In regards to the expansion cups, they do disassemble 1 through 9. Use a non-ammonia based product to clean these. Snap them back together. Reinsert the core when it's clean. And we're going to put this thing back together. I'm going to reinsert the expansion chamber. Now we're going to slide the suppressor assembly back in. We'll lay it on its side. And we're going to use a 3/8 wrench to finish the task. When you tighten this up, you want to make sure that you tighten it until it stops. That seats the suppressor against the barrel for bore alignment, and it also seals the entire unit. We are done. The IA-SC9 integral.